beef, green peas, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the green peas recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes. Today we are going to make beef, green peas, coconut milk rice or veal, green peas, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 100 grams of green peas soaked in water, 25 shallots peeled, and 1 green chili, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 250 grams of beef or veal, cleaned thoroughly. We have soaked the beef or veal in turmeric water. Heat the pan and pour 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the shallots. Salt. Soft shallots till they lose their pinkish color. Now put in the peas. Now put in the garlic and the ginger. Salt. Mix the mixture spices with the garlic, ginger and the shallots. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt with the beef and the rest of the ingredients. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. And the green chili. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Mix in the tomato pieces and the green chili. Put in the green peas. Mix in the green peas. The rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix the green peas with the rest of the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. the mixture cook for 35 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 90 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the beef, green peas, coconut milk rice is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef, green peas, coconut milk rice, or veal, green peas, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes, and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes, and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the green peas recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.